Hello kids, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are well. Today we are going to learn phonics subject. In phonics we will take OI words and OY sound words. Today's date is 2nd of March 2021. First we will take one revision. OU sound words are O sound words. First was AUGUST, August, August. Then CAUSE, cause, cause. Then FAULT, for, alt, fault. Then LAUNCH, launch, launch. Then AUDIO, audio, audio. Then AUDIT, audit, audit. Then AUTHOR, author, author. Then AUTUMN, autumn, autumn. Then AUCTION, occasion, occasion. Then AUDIENCE, audience, audience. Then AUTOMATIC, automatic, automatic. Then AUTOMOBILE, automobile, automobile. Then BECAUSE, because, because. Then PAUSE, pause, pause. Then SAUCER, saucer, saucer. Then SAUCE, sauce. Then OU sound words, ow, right? Now let's see OUT, out, out. Then SHOUT, out, shout. Then SOUTH, out, south. Then AMOUNT, aunt, amount. Then FOUND, found, found. Then HOUR, hour, hour. Then LOUD, loud, loud. Then SOUND, sound, sound. Then ABOUT, out, about. Then MOUTH, out, mouth. Then COUNT, count, count. Then CLOUD, cloud, cloud. Then POUND, pound, pound. Then HOUSE, house, house. Then MOUSE, mouse, mouse. Then MOUNT, mount, mount. Then ACCOUNT, account, account. Then ROUND, round, round. Then OUR, hour, okay. Then PROUD, proud, proud. Then POUCH, pouch, pouch. Then FOUL, owl, fowl. Then BOUNCE, ounce, bounce. Okay. Now today we are going to learn OI sound words. OI sounds oi. It pronounces as a oi. Now first is OIL, oil. OI sounds oi, oil, oil. Then BOIL, oil, boil. Then COIL, oil, coil. Then COIN, oin, coin. Then FOIL, for oil, foil. Then HOIST, her, hoist, hoist. Then JOINT, oint, joint. OINK, oink, oink. Then POINT, oint, point. Then POISON, poison, poison. Then SOIL, oil, soil. Then SPOIL, spur, SP pronounced spur, spur, oil, spoil. Then TOILET, toilet, toilet. Then VOICE, voice. Then NOISE, noise. Then JOINT, joint. Then AVOID, avoid. Then CHOICE, CH pronounced choice, choice. Then BROIL, oil, broil. Then DROIL, oil, droil. Okay, this much are OI sound words. Now we will go with the OY sound words. OY pronounce oi. OY pronounce oi. Let's see the words. BOY, oi, boy. Then COY, oi, coy. Then JOY, oi, joy. Then TOY, oi, toy. Then SOY, oi, soy. Then TROY, TR pronounced oi, troy. Then ENJOY, oi, enjoy. Then PLOY, oi, ploy. Then LOYAL, oil, loyal, oil, loyal. Then ROYAL, oil, royal. Then ANNOY, oi, annoy. Then EMPLOY, pronounced employ, employ. Okay, this much are there. You have to write it down one time in your notebook. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe and keep learning.